I'm using this 35mm lens. Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Allie. My family and I homestead here in West Georgia. I just want to say thank you so much for 200 subscribers here on YouTube. I am having so much fun making these videos and documenting this journey for you all. This week on the farm, we basically just did a ton of spring cleaning, spring prep. I got our in-ground garden bed cleaned up. Alrighty, I officially have this whole bed full of lettuces. So, hopefully we can grow lettuce here.
Hello, girl. You got ready to go?
You have stick. You have stick. Okay, hold on. Hold on. There is just so much potential in this garden and in those raised beds. I cannot wait to plant everything and grow a ton of food this summer. With you, little girl. Yeah, with you. We're gonna grow flowers and food.
Mama. Milkweed. Kick it. Yeah. Good job.
Wow, baby.
Good job, sweetheart.
Go over there.
Yeah.
Get some posts in the ground. Like get cut some of that nasty old whatever it is.
Frisky old.
Frisky old.
Well, you're new with me.
I'm buying the 60s. I was buying 60s the whole time, and I was like, let me just go ahead and get 80s. I don't know.
Is it heavy?
Yeah, they're,
Heavy as a mug?
80,
I mean, 80 pounds.
20
is
pounds
crazy.
heavier. But
why is it so dense?
these are just like,
Fine. You're going to hurt yourself.
they just seem so much, they're just so much harder to handle than the 60 pounds.
How can something so...
You can carry it all day. It's like picking it up if it's like off the ground.
How can something so small weigh 80 pounds? Or you ate, you pies, you ate. Grow up.
Want a matter, baby?
A what?
A what?
What's the matter, baby?
Nothing, baby. What's wrong with you?
Want the matter, baby?
What's the matter, baby? Hi, house.
Hiya. 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 I wonder if our golf cart could pull the trailer. And like I was thinking about you fencing in like that corner,
Yeah.
but that's ridiculous and we don't need to do that. But I was like, wow. Oh wow, they're in a circle.
Oh wow, they're in a circle. It's kind of scary. Look at Ada. She's doing in a circle. You see them in a circle. You need to move that plant. I mean that tree.
I know. I had no idea. They are literally in a circle.
I know.
Crop circle. Look at this, Mommy. And these were sort of buried under the pine straw, so I pulled the pine straw away and they looked so like they were gonna get sun scald. Oh my god, guess what we're getting next weekend? Not this weekend, but next weekend we rented a Mini X from Home Depot.
What's that?
A Mini X.
What is it? Oh, Mini X.
Mini X. Mini excavator. You know, it's got a little bucket on it.
Oh,
And you know.
Oh, cool. And what are you gonna do with that?
This is a
Look at her.
Florida Prince
Florida
peach
Oh, peach.
Ooh.
tree.
Oh, look at it. It's trying to get some.
Oh, did you see that?
Plum tree.
Ooh, look.
Are they purple or red?
They're trying to get
Red.
some little buds going on.
From Methley plum.
How many years does that take? 5?
I don't know, 2, 3 to get established.
Go kiss
Oh,
her.
she did. She's blowing.
She knows how to blow now.
Uh-huh.
Ada?
She blew.
Ada?
So cute.
I think I have a real lack mentality when it comes to seedlings. Let me show you why. So as you can see, these are all little baby lettuces that I planted. I sowed them pretty thick, and I guess if I were to leave them this close together, they would just grow smaller lettuce leaves. But if I separate it and have just one lettuce seedling, it'll grow more of a head of lettuce. And instead of pinching off, you know, all these little lettuces and only leaving one, I want them all to survive, so I'm going to pry them out of the soil and plant them elsewhere. Okay, so these I already sacrificed and killed, so I guess I am a monster. But I do want to try and pry this clump of seedlings out of the ground. And then tease apart the roots and replant each individual seedling in an open spot in this bed. I don't know. It's just more lettuce plants. It's like, yeah, I could kill them. I already don't have room. If you've been watching these videos for a while, you know that I really struggle with the concept of mulch. People all over say anything can be mulch. It's fine, just use what you have. Until I use Bermuda grass clippings, and that's apparently a cardinal sin. So I experimented again this week with something that we have a ton of, and y'all let me know if I did the right thing. Because I have a feeling, I don't know, mulch is very confusing for me. Y'all comment below if I'm not supposed to be using pine straw as mulch, but we have so much pine straw on this property, and where it falls on the grass, it's nice and dry. I mean, it's like pine straw you'd buy in the store, so I'm mulching with that. But you know, I don't have a great track record when it comes to mulching and the materials that I decide to use for mulching, so let me know if that's wrong.
You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Say, I love you, baby.
I love you, little girl. Papa, have a kiss? And a hug? That boomerang.
It was such a fun week on the farm, spending quality time with my family. If you're not subscribed, please take a moment and hit that subscribe button. Let's get to 300 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching another video. I will see you on the next one. Bye.